Hello guys, we're back again. This is another episode of my YouTube channel actually. So this is gonna be good. So well, it's Friday, so it's another weekend again. Today what we're gonna make today is mostly this product's local anyway. You got the Tanduay rum, the dark rum, and then you got the Emperador Brandy. It's a light one. The local gin, the Ginto, and then you have the Grenadine syrup. They got the apple tea, and then you got the the Calamansi honey anyway. And then this should be my garnish today. This is the lemon leaves from outside from my garden, and then it's a calamansi. Then rock glass, okay, and then it's a basic. It's a shaker, strainer, tongue. Then you got the jigger, also a knife. So this drink is gonna be a sana all actually. Sana all is like full of drama actually. It's full of drama, and try to drink, and then maybe you can say this Sana all drinks gonna be good for you, good for your health, or maybe you're gonna start crying also. I don't know. So let's check out these. This is gonna be your drinks of the month, drinks of the year. I don't know. So let's see how it goes. Let me get some ice. This can be sana all tanan mo inuman, diba? Para alright, so a jigger of the Tanduay. This is gonna be really good for you. Try like inom sana all makaiduman, diba? Jigger of the Brandy, the Emperador Brandy. So, and then the jigger of the Ginto Gin. And then a jigger of the tea, actually the apple tea. Then about 20 of the honey calamansi, and a dash of the Grenadine syrup. And Sana all drinks this, and then you can see this really good Sana all. Scoop of ice. Alright. Then a scoop of ice in the rock glass. Set. Alright, and this your Sana all drinks, garnished with the lemon leaves, safety, and then the calamansi should be on top. And then your straw. All right, this is your Sana All drinks. Enjoy, have fun, and happy weekend actually. Thank you so much. Before we end up this video, actually, please again, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, my Instagram, and then my Facebook page also. Please share to your friends or your family. Sana all you share to everybody. Thank you so much.